Good morning. Good morning. I'm sitting here enjoying the birds. Sammy's standing here because she wants a bite of my banana. You want a banana? There you go. Eating a banana for breakfast with some peanut butter crackers. About to get started with my day. Get the tires aired up on the van and take a little spin around the block. We don't have blocks here. Anyway, I think today is going to be 92 degrees. This morning it's chilly. I got a long sleeve shirt on, but it's going to heat up to 92. So I'm going to get everything done this morning, and then this afternoon when it gets hot, that's when you just sit in the shade and just enjoy the nature. So that is the plan for today. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I got the tires aired up. It's already hot. Yeah, it's gonna be a hot day today, so I'm gonna do just a small jaunt because for whatever reason, if the van breaks down, I have this much water to get back, to walk back, and Sammy's still at camp, so she starts right up. And I don't know how the air conditioning is, so I was like, why is this gonna still buzz? It's not. Okay. All right, let's take her for a spin. Test the brakes and all that. I didn't look at the brake fluid. I should have done that. Yeehaw. Alright. I mean, what has it been? 5 years? I guess I thought it was 2 or 3. No, I think it's more than like 5 years that she has been on the road. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know if the air conditioner works. This is just a little, I'm not even gonna go a mile. I might come down there and turn around. Might do it again later this afternoon. Okay, I'm gonna turn around. Turn around right here. Yeah, I wouldn't say that the air conditioner works great. It's kind of loud too. Let's turn that off. Let's turn that off. She's driving really good. The brakes are a little, of course, I think they're okay. They just are different than the truck. Yeah. Nice little outing. Okay, this is the second lap, turning around again. I know this is exciting. Well, it's exciting to me. Yeah. And tomorrow I am leaving, so I'm gonna go put this back in the shop. And when I get back, then I will get it out and go to town. Well, that was a success. Yeah, I gotta open up the garage door before I can put it in. I might leave it, well, no, I'm not gonna leave it out. I'll put it up. But anyway, van's running great.